Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 19 May 2018, 22 of hour, 43 of minute and 05 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how far should electrical outlets be from the floor? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how far should electrical outlets be from the floor. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how far should electrical outlets be from the floor. NEC 210.52.A2. A common height for a wall outlet is between 12 to 16 inches to the bottom of the device. In rare instances, outlets are still installed in baseboards and in the floor with proper box covers. When I had my new room built onto my house, the electrician used a standard claw hammer for the height. Last update September 10, 2012. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.